This vlog is one of a kind and it's so dear to my heart. I'm glad to take you guys along with me in an attempt to shed some weight. It's going to be a series and this is the beginning. I'll be starting with a throwback of my original size. So this is me after university and this is me when I got married newly. My size was still there. And this is me after my first child. I was pregnant in this picture heavily. This is me after the delivery of my second child, like a year after. And this is me 3 years after my second child. And this used to be my size the whole of last year until now, guys. And this is the point where I decided to be intentional. I checked my weight and this is what we have, so I decided to take the bull by the horn. Before I sign up with the gym, I decided to start some mild exercises from home and also work on my diet, just so my body would get used to it, and when I finally start gym proper, it wouldn't be totally new to my body system. So here am I doing some mild exercises and some dance. I'd like to take you on this journey along with me as my accountability audience. And I really do hope to make some progress, even if it will take me the whole of 2025. Well, I'm just saying, but I know that with discipline and consistency, it wouldn't even take me the whole of this year. So I'm quite optimistic for positive changes, with the expectation to be more healthy, to shed some weight, and to take this up as a habit, and not just for this short period of time, because I really would like to look so young when I'm 50. I'd like to look young, beautiful and healthy when I'm 60 and above, So I'd like this to be a lifestyle and I'm super excited about it. Whew, I feel relieved, kind of. I just need to go have my bath and eat something. Another thing is rationing my portion. I'm not going to pretend I love food. So I've decided to work on my rationing and inculcating more of veggies into the meals. And this is lemon infused water, lemon and ginger, just for flavor and to make me drink lots of water. I'm not just aiming at shedding some weight, but I want to live healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.